Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. Memorial Day has passed, we're officially into summer, and what better way to celebrate summer than a nice cold, refreshing cocktail. So let's get pouring. Today's drink, the Tequila Mockingbird. The first ingredient we're going to put in there is 3 fresh cubes of watermelon. Use cubes about an inch in size. And then we are going to add 1 freshly cut slice of jalapeño. That goes into our shaker glass. We're going to take it out and we're going to muddle. You're going to get those oils out of the jalapeno. You're going to get the juice out of the watermelon. And oh, this is going to be good. Next, we are going to take our liquid ingredients. We're going to start with 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Because if it ain't fresh, it ain't the best. That's going in there. Next, we are going to use 3/4 of an ounce of agave. That's going in there. And to finish it off, of course, 2 ounces of a silver tequila. Today we're using Milagro. Two ounces in there. We're now going to take and put some ice in there. And I got to tell you, this is starting to smell good already. And give it a good shake to chill this down. We're going to incorporate those juices. And once that's nice and chilled, we are then going to double strain this cocktail. So we're going to take a double old-fashioned glass. We're going to get a large cube of ice. And now we double strain. We've got seeds in there. We've got pieces of jalapeno in there. You don't want that on your drink. So you just pour that nice and slow. And to finish that off, we are going to garnish with a chunk of watermelon. And there you go. Today's cocktail, Tequila Mockingbird.
May I try that, please?
Of course you may try that.
That is good.
A little bit of sweet, a little bit of bite. Tequila Mockingbird. Folks, if you're ever in Ocean City, make sure you hit the Tequila Mockingbird. Over 600 different tequilas. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe.